Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cutting power at the switch so the fixture is safe. This prevents surprises and makes the job straightforward. Once the light is dark, set your ladder under the fixture and steady it. Make sure to wear gloves to protect skin and improve grip. You should have the replacement bulb rated for the fixture handy and a helper nearby to pass tools or steady the ladder so you can work methodically without rushing. You now remove the shade or cover, twisting, unlatching, or unscrewing as required so you can access the bulb. Once exposed, grip the bulb with a cloth or gloved hand and turn it counterclockwise to remove. Check the socket for corrosion or loose wiring and clear any debris. Next, align the new bulb's base with the socket and turn clockwise until snug. Avoid over-tightening because that can damage the threads or socket, and make sure the bulb type matches You replace the shade or cover, securing screws or clips exactly as they came off so the fixture sits flush and safe. Once reassembled, restore power and test the switch. Watch for steady light, no flicker, and listen for buzzing. These signs tell you the connection is sound. If the lamp flickers, trips a breaker, or hums, turn the power back off and recheck the socket and bulb type. If the issue persists, stop and contact a licensed electrician to avoid risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.